back on my online tutorial. I'm making this video for class 9. I'll be doing an exercise based on factorization of trinomials. The general trinomial is represented by ax squared plus bx plus c. A, b and c are real numbers. There is a technique to factorize trinomials. Ax squared plus bx plus c is the standard trinomial. When we do factorization of trinomials, we need to split the middle term. That is the reason why factorization of trinomial is also known as splitting the middle term. Simple techniques to remember. Let's take one example. X squared plus 5x plus 6. Given equation is trinomial because there are three terms. The exponent of trinomial is 2. Means that this given trinomial has two factors, and we can find the factors by splitting the middle term. First step, you write x squared plus x, then open the bracket, plus 6. Now you need to proceed with calculation at the side. Look at the real number in front of x squared. Real number in front of x squared. It doesn't have any number, so we take it as 1. The last real number is 6. So we multiply by 6. 1 multiplied by 6 is 6. You need to find prime factors of 6 2 or 3 times. These two prime factors, you need to arrange it. The arrangement can be done either by plus or minus, such that it gives you middle term. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is the arrangement of the numbers. It gives us how much? 5. By multiplying, these two numbers must give the product, that is 6. Or you could do like this. You make a cross, write down the product at the top and calculated factors at the side. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. And this 3 and 2 you have to add it up or subtract to get the middle one. So it is 3 plus 2. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, which we get the product. 3 plus 2 will give us 5. So the numbers which we have arranged, we write inside the bracket. Now, second step, x squared plus 3x plus 2x, multiply both the term inside the bracket, plus 6. We had 3 terms in the beginning. Now we have 4 terms because we have split the middle term. You need to arrange the terms and take common from these two. X square and 3x means x is common. And as we take common, please do remember the exponent decreases. It is x because there are two exponents, so 1 is taken out. How much is left? 1 plus 3 is left. X is taken common outside. From other two terms, 2 is common, x plus 3. Now we look at the term inside the bracket. These two terms are again common. So we write x plus 3 common. Open the bracket and write down the term which you have here. That is x positive sign 2. These are two factors of the given trinomial. Steps to be remembered and calculation must be shown at the side. Let's take another example. Another example. X square minus 8x plus 7. Trinomial. X square minus x bracket plus 7. Proceed with the same calculation at the side as we did for the previous question. Real number in front of x square is 1 and the last real number is 7. Real number in front of x square and the last real number you should always multiply at the side. 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. Find factors, prime factors. 7, 1. You can make a cross and do it yourself. What is the product? 7. What are the prime factors? 7 and 1. How much we have to get in the middle? It is 8. So 7 plus 1 will give us 8. So write down the number which you have arranged. 7 plus 1. Open the bracket and multiply it. X square minus 7x minus. Make sure you multiply the sign. Minus multiplies plus is minus. X multiplied by 1 is 1x. Or you can write x, it's up to you. Take common from first two terms. X is common, you get x minus 7. Minus sign must be written here. What is common from other two? There is nothing common, means we take 1. X. And as we are taking minus sign common, this minus sign gets converted to, plus sign gets converted to minus. Care must be taken for plus and minus sign. Again you have two terms equal. Take it common. You will be getting x minus 1. And these are two factors of the given trinomial. Let's take third example. Third example. 2x squared minus 7x plus 6. Similar steps. 2x squared minus sign x bracket open, then close the bracket, 6. Now proceed with calculation. And this calculation is very, very important. This calculation will give you the numbers which can be arranged in the bracket such that we can obtain 7. First real number is 2 and the last real number is 6. Multiply it. 12. The product is 12. Find prime factors. 3, 4 times. We got 2 factors. These 2 factors we need to arrange such that we get 7. The product is 12. Factor is 4 and 3. 4 plus 3 will give us 7. So we write 4 plus 3. Now open the bracket. 2x square you copy as it is with minus x. Multiply it. Minus into plus is minus 4x. Minus into plus is minus 3x plus 6. Common. Both the terms are divisible by 2, so you take 2 common. X square, x is common. And as you take 2x common, what is left here? X minus 2. How many times 4? 2 times. Minus. Both the numbers are divisible by 3. So you take 3 common. What is left here? X. Minus is taken common, so plus sign will change to minus 3. How many times 6? 2 times. Look at the terms inside the bracket. And please do remember, term inside the bracket must be similar, like terms. Take it common. X minus 2. 2x minus 3. 2 factors of the given trinomial. Fourth example. 6x squared plus 11x minus 10. Follow the steps. 6x squared plus x bracket minus 10. Finding the numbers for the arrangement inside the bracket. First real number is 6. Last real number is 10. You should not multiply the sign, only the numbers. 60. Find the factors, prime factors, to 30 times. 2 and 30 by addition or subtraction does not give you 11. It won't give you. 30 plus 2 will give you 32. 30 minus 2 will give you 28. So these two cannot be arranged. You go for second prime factor, 250. Multiply. 2 times is 4. These two numbers must be multiplied. We get 4. 50 minus 4 gives us 11. We need to get 11 over there. 60 is the product. 15 is the first factor, prime factor. These two has to be multiplied. You get 4. And we require only 2 factors, 2 prime factors. Remember it. So as you keep finding the factor does not mean you reduce all. Only 2 factors. For that you need to multiply such that you get 2 numbers. By adding or subtracting you have to get the middle one. So addition gives us 19. 15 plus 4 is 19. So what is option left? Subtraction. 15 minus 4 is 11. So you write 15 minus 4. 6x squared plus 15x minus 4x minus 10. Look at these two terms. Both the numbers are divisible by 3. 3 is common. X squared, x is common. 3 how many times 6? 2 times x plus 3 how many times 15? 5 times. Look at the other two numbers. Both the numbers are divisible by 2. So we put minus sign. Don't forget to copy the sign. 2 is common. 2 how many times 4? 2 times. Minus sign is taken common. So this minus will change to plus. And 2 5 times is 10. Take the numbers inside the bracket again common. 2x plus 5. 3x minus 2 are the factors of the given trinomial. You have plenty of sums in the exercise. You can try Q from the exercise 4.4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can try these sums from exercise 14.4. Thank you very much. Please keep a record of the work which I have been uploading. You maintain your class exercise. All these sums has to be done in the exercise book. When school reopens, you need to submit your work, lockdown work for corrections. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, enjoy maths. Thank you.